Good morning, children. I'm continuing with the water lesson, chapter 3 for 9th class. This is session 8, crystal and crystallization. Now, when hot saturated solution is cooled, then the excess solid which is present in the hot saturated solution, it is thrown out in the form of particles, and these particles are called crystals. And the whole process of formation of crystals when hot saturated solution is cooled, then this process is called crystallizations. Now these crystals are homogeneous solids and these are bounded by plane surfaces meeting at a sharp edges at a definite angle to one another and have a regular definite shape. Now there are two conditions for crystallization. First is that when hot saturated solution is cooled, then it should be cooled slowly and it should be followed by slow evaporation. Second, if we will do rapid cooling, then we will not get definite crystals. So slow evaporation will help in the concentration of solute, causing well-defined crystals. So this is about crystals, crystallizations, and what are the conditions for crystallization. Now we come to the water of crystallization. Now we have studied just now that when hot saturated solution is cooled, then crystals are formed. Now during the formation of crystals, certain fixed number of water molecules enters into a loose chemical combination with the substance. So this definite number of water molecules which gets attached to the crystals during its formation by the process of crystallization is called water of crystallization. Now this water of crystallization is responsible for the geometric shape of the crystal and color of the crystal. The moment this water of crystallization is evaporated, then the crystal will lose its geometric shape and the color also. Now we come to the hydrated and anhydrous substance. Now hydrated substances contain fixed number of molecules in loose chemical combination, which is called water of crystallization. So the substance with water of crystallizations are called hydrated substance. In loose chemical combination means when the substance are exposed to the atmosphere or when they are heated, then this water of crystallization will evaporate. And anhydrous substance means which does not contain any fixed number of water molecule. Example, potassium nitrate. And here the example of hydrated substance is copper sulfate. Hydrated copper sulfate. It has 5 molecules of water in loose chemical combination. These 5 molecules of water are called water of crystallization. Now what will be the effect of heat when we are going to heat hydrated copper sulfate? This water of crystallization will evaporate. Now this was responsible for the color of the crystal and for the definite geometrical shape. So when we will heat hydrated copper sulfate, the blue crystal will change into white powder and definite geometrical shape will be lost. So here the crystal will lose its geometrical shape and it is called amorphous solid. When the crystalline, non-crystalline substances, the term is given amorphous solid. Thank you. That's all for today.